Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of High Ride Garage. Paolo here, and today I'm going to present you with a legacy helmet. So this is the legacy of the Doctor. So for the fans of the channel, for sure you have already understood who I'm talking about, and I'm talking about Valentino Rossi. So here we have it in its beauty and style, and as we can see, this is the proper Valentino Rossi helmet, with the one he actually has done so many of his typical celebrations. So we definitely remember Valentino Rossi. His affection for flowers, flower power, is another very important helmet that we're gonna feature on the channel, and certainly it's one of a unique helmet that you don't want to miss in the collection. Here we have it with the number 46, and more importantly with the moon and the sun on the other side. So this is a spectacular helmet. It comes with a yellow visor. It comes with the sticker of the tribal Chihuahua, the typical sticker of the turtle, and with the very iconic flowers all the way to the back with the black and the yellow on the background. So this is a vintage helmet by now, so definitely not recommended for usage on the street. Obviously on a motorcycle, safety first, and but when it comes to collection, this is actually a beauty, and I couldn't resist to snap it from second-hand sellers. That nowadays the career of Valentino Rossi is fading down, so people are losing affection, but actually to me this is the moment where the best deals are made, because people are getting rid of pure vintage stuff that you would have to buy 10-20 years ago. So nowadays you get a lot of replicas, but there is nothing that beats the actually cool helmet, production helmet of the age. So I'm really happy with it. It's a really performance, we can see with the old logo, and I'm extremely happy with the purchase. I hope that you are enjoying the cool down the lane, memory lane type of videos. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, leave it a thumb up, share it with your friends, and make sure to watch all the other videos I have on the channel. There is plenty of free giveaways, motorcycle parts and helmets that are gonna go on auction, let's say on eBay, or that are gonna go into one of your houses if you manage to win it after we reach a certain subscribers milestones. So thank you very much for watching, guys, again, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.